नमस्कार विद्यार्थी मित्रो, एस स्क्वेअर एम अकॅडमीमध्ये आपलं सर्वांचं स्वागत आहे. इन टुडेज व्हिडिओ वी आर गोइंग टू लर्न examples related to third chapter circle. In this chapter we are going to learn or solve some examples from practice set 3.3. Practice set 3.3. The first example is, in a figure points G, D, E, F are concyclic points of a circle with center C. Angle ECF is equal to 70 degree and major arc DGF is equal to 200 degree. Find major arc DA and major arc DEF. In this diagram, C is the center of circle and point DEFG, these are the concyclic points of a circle, and we have given the measure of angle ECF, means angle ECF is equal to 70 degree, and major arc DGF, major arc DGF means arc DGF we have given 200 degree, and we have to find out major arc DE and major arc DEF. Now solution, angle ECF is equal to 70 degree, equation number 1 given. Angle ECF, here is angle ECF and we have given angle ECF is equal to 70 degree. Measure of minor arc is equal to the measure of its corresponding central angle. Now you know here arc EF is minor arc and angle ECF is central angle of minor arc EF. तर minor arc, the measurement of minor arc म्हणजेच minor arc जो आहे तर minor arcचं measurement is equal to its central angle ECF. means लघुवर्तुळ कंसाचं माप हे त्याच्या केंद्रीय कोनाच्या मीन्स सेंट्रल अँगलच्या मेजरमेंट इतकं असतं. देअरफॉर मेजर ऑफ मायनर आर्क इज इक्वल टू द measure of its corresponding central angle. Therefore, major arc EF is equal to angle ECF. Major arc EF is equal to major angle ECF, and therefore major arc EF is equal to 70 degree because angle ECF is equal to 70 degree. Now major arc DE plus major arc EF plus major arc DGF means major arc DE, this is the major arc DE, and major arc EF, major arc EF and major arc DGF means these all three arcs cover all the circle. तर या तिन्ही कंस मिळून पूर्ण वर्तुळ तयार होतं. and you know the measure of complete circle is 360 degree. म्हणजे पूर्ण वर्तुळाचं माप हे पूर्ण वर्तुळाचं अंशात्मक माप हे 360 अंश असतं. म्हणून सम ऑफ दिस ऑल आर्क्स मीन्स complete circle is equal to 360 degree. Reason is measure of complete circle is 360 degree. Now we have the measure of major arc EF 70 degree. We have given EF is equal to 70 degree and arc DGF is 200 degree. Substituting these values in this equation, we get major arc DE plus major arc EF से measurement किती आहे 70 degree plus major arc DGF is equal to 200 degree is equal to 360 degree. या ठिकाणी major arc EF से measurement 70 degree दिलेला आहे and major arc DGF से measurement 200 दिलेला आहे. Adding these two values we get major arc DE plus 270 degree is equal to 370. या दोघांची बेरीज केली 270. Therefore major arc DE is equal to now 360 degree minus 270. हा पॉझिटिव्ह प्लस 270 डिग्री या साईडला आल्यानंतर निगेटिव्ह होईल, मायनस होईल. देअरफॉर मेजर आर्क DE इज इक्वल टू 360 मायनस 270. देअरफॉर मेजर आर्क DE इज इक्वल टू 60 डिग्री. Here 360 minus 270, therefore major arc DE is equal to 90 degree. Therefore major arc DE is equal to 90 degree. अशा प्रकारे in this way we have find out the value of major arc DE and that means 90 degree. Now major arc DEF is equal to, we have to find out the value of major arc DE. मेजर आर्क DEFचं मेजरमेंट आपल्याला काढायचं आहे. नाव मेजर आर्क DEF मीन्स ॲडिशन ऑफ टू आर्क्स, फर्स्ट आर्क DE and second arc DF. मेजर आर्क DEF इज इक्वल टू मेजर आर्क DE प्लस मेजर आर्क EF. ॲडिशन प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ आर्क, इथं रिझन दिलं तरी चालेल. देअरफॉर मेजर आर्क DEF इज इक्वल टू, DEचं मेजरमेंट किती आलेलं आहे 90 डिग्री अँड यू नो major arc EF is equal to 70. Adding these two figures we get major arc DEF is equal to 160 degree. Therefore we have to find out the value of these two arcs in this way. Major arc DE is equal to 90 degree and major arc DEF is equal to 160 degree. Now question number 2. In figure, triangle QRS is equilateral triangle, means in this figure triangle QRS is equilateral triangle and we have to prove that first arc RS congruent arc QS congruent arc QR and second major arc QRS is equal to 240 degree. तर in this triangle म्हणजे या त्रिकोणामध्ये triangle QRS is equilateral triangle, समभुज त्रिकोण आहे. and you know all the sides of equilateral triangles means समभुज त्रिकोणाच्या सर्व बाजू या काय असतात समान लांबीच्या, means एकरूप असतात, congruent असतात. therefore now solution, triangle QRS is an equilateral triangle. you know triangle QRS is an equilateral triangle given. आपल्याला हे प्रश्नामध्ये दिलेलं आहे म्हणून याचं रिझन काय येईल given. therefore next, side RS congruent side QS congruent side QR. Side RS congruent side QS congruent side QS and congruent side QR means all the sides of equilateral triangle are congruent. Therefore side RS congruent side QS congruent side QR. Now chord RS congruent chord QS congruent chord QR. you know these three sides are congruent. या त्रिकोणाच्या तिन्ही बाजू congruent आहेत म्हणून साइड QRनं आर्क QR होतो आणि RSचा आर्क RS आहे आणि साइड QSचा आर्क काय आहे QS. मीन्स साइड QR, side RS and side QS, these three sides are equal lengths, means congruent. Therefore these are also congruent chords. Therefore chord RS, chord QS, chord QR means these sides are also chords of this circle. Therefore arc RS congruent arc QS congruent arc QR. reason देता येईल आपल्याला, corresponding arcs of congruent chords are congruent means corresponding arcs of congruent chord in this circle. या वर्तुळामध्ये chords QR, chord RS आणि chord QS या congruent आहेत. means chord QRनं arc QR तयार केलेला आहे, chord RSनं arc RS तयार केलेला आहे आणि chord QSनी arc QS तयार केलेला आहे. means these are the congruent chords आणि corresponding arcs of congruent chords are congruent. Therefore arc RS congruent arc QS congruent arc QR. Therefore arc RS congruent arc QS and congruent arc QR. Equation number 1. Now we have to prove major arc QRS is equal to 240 degree. आता आपल्याला major arc QRS means QRS हा जो आर्क आहे या आर्कचं मेजरमेंट किती आहे 240 डिग्री आहे हे आपल्याला प्रूव्ह करायचं आहे. मीन्स वी हॅव टू प्रूव्ह दॅट मेजर आर्क QRS इज इक्वल टू 240 डिग्री. Now arc RS is equal to arc QS is equal to arc QR from equation 1, means these three arcs are equal. Therefore let arc RS is equal to arc QS, arc QR is equal to x degree. तर या तिन्ही आर्कचं सेम आहेत आणि याचं मेजरमेंट किती गृहीत धरलं आहे आपण x degree. मीन्स लेट the measure of these arcs means arc RS, arc QS and arc QR is equal to x degree. Now arc RS plus arc QS plus arc QR is equal to 360 degree, means sum of the all arcs on the circle is 360 degree. Therefore x degree plus x degree plus x degree is equal to 360 degree. Therefore 3x is equal to 360 degree. Now x is equal to 360 upon 3. Therefore we get x is equal to 120 degree. Therefore measure arc QRS. Now measure arc QRS is equal to measure arc QR plus measure arc RS. You know the measure arc QR and measure arc RS. This is measure arc QR and this is arc RS is x degree, and you know the value of x degree is equal to 120. Therefore here measure arc QRS is equal to 120 degree plus 120 degree. Therefore measure arc QRS is equal to 240 degree. Now next question. In figure 3.39, chord AB congruent chord CD, means chord AB and congruent chord CD. We have to prove that arc AC congruent arc BD. Solution. Chord AB congruent chord CD. Its reason आहे given, and you know chord AB congruent chord CD. Arc ACB. This is the arc ACB. ACB is the arc of chord AB. म्हणजे chord AB न chord AB चा corresponding arc कोणता आहे ACB, and chord CD चा corresponding arc कोणता आहे CBD. Therefore arc ACB is the corresponding arc of chord AB and arc CBD is the corresponding arc of chord CD. Therefore measure arc ACB congruent measure arc CBD, means arc ACB and arc CBD are congruent arc because congruent chord makes congruent arcs on the circle. These chord AB and chord CD are congruent, means chord AB and chord CD are congruent आहेत. Therefore arc ACB आणि arc CBD also काय असायला पाहिजे congruent असायला पाहिजे. म्हणून measure arc ACB is a congruent measure arc CBD. Arcs corresponding to congruent chords. Arc reason आहे याचं. Now you know measure arc ACB. आता arc ACB म्हणजे sum of two arcs, that mean arc AC and arc CB. arc कंस ACB म्हणजेच कंस AC आणि कंस CB या दोन कंसांची बेरीज, आणि कंस CBD means कंस CB and कंस BD या दोन कंसांची बेरीज. Therefore here measure arc AC plus measure arc CB. Measure arc AC plus measure arc CB means addition of these two arcs we get measure arc ACB is equal to measure arc CB plus measure arc BD. Measure arc CB plus measure arc BD, it means arc CBD. आता या ठिकाणी मेजर आर्क CB आणि मेजर आर्क CB हे दोन्ही काय होतील कॅन्सल, सेम आहेत ना. हा या साईडला आल्यानंतर मायनस होईल आणि कॅन्सल होईल, म्हणून मेजर ॲडिशन प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ आर्क्स. देअरफॉर हे कॅन्सल करता येईल आपल्याला, आणि मेजर आर्क CB इट इज ऑल्सो कॅन्सल, and therefore we get measure arc AC is equal to measure arc BD. Therefore The measure of these two arc is same or equal. Therefore, arc AC congruent arc BD. Thanks for watching.